Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about how you can make money on Fiverr using ChatGPT. So you may have heard about what is ChatGPT and what is Fiverr, but today we are going to talk about how you can make money combining these two platforms or tools. So if you are a new seller on Fiverr, or if you are selling from years, you may have noticed that Fiverr has added a new category, which is AI services. So what you can do, how you can get benefit of it, and all that processes. If you follow along this video till end, I will share with you step by step what you guys need to do to make your first dollar on Fiverr. So without further ado, let's get started. So what is ChatGPT? So ChatGPT basically is a language model that's gonna help you. If you ask any question to it or any details, it's gonna reply to you in a very human way. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is a freelancing platform. You can sell services like logo designing, accounting or bookkeeping, text preparation, and there are other services as well. But today we are going to talk about the AI services. So if you go to Fiverr and you see the AI services, there are a few services listed down, okay? The first one is the MidJourney artist, then there is some, then there is DALL 2, then there is Stable Diffusion. So what people are doing that? So for example, if someone is using MidJourney, okay, and they are going to provide the services of graphic designer. So what they can do, whenever the clients comes in, they put the query to you and ask you to, okay, I need graphics or logo designing or any kind of services. So what you can do, you just take their questions, take their prompt, and just paste it into the MidJourney or Stable Diffusions or DALL 2. These are the three platforms, and Lensa as well, but these are the 3 or 4 platforms which people are currently using to make money. This is the first thing, okay? So what you gotta do, if someone came to you and asked you to create a logo for them or create a graphic designing for their website or for their ebook or for their course or whatever it is, what you need to do, you will just post that prompt into one of these tools and it's gonna generate an AI graphic design for you. So what you can do, you can just take that design and update it or improve it according to your client's needs and just submit it. The second thing which you can use is to make money on Fiverr using the ChatGPT is basically if some client, if you are planning to sell, and the second thing which you can do to sell services on Fiverr using the ChatGPT is actually if you are planning to provide copywriting or writing services. What you need to do, you will go to Fiverr, create your profile, add your gig, and then when the clients sooner or later will come in, and once the client comes in, what you need to do, you just need their details and post that, their queries or details or prompt, and just post that into ChatGPT and ask it to write for you. The one thing that I highly recommend is that do not just do not just copy paste the results that you generate from these AI tools, but definitely improve something, add some other details according to your client's needs, according to your own experience and skills, and then forward it to client. So these things are not going to take too much of time, but you can do it smartly and make money on Fiverr. Okay. Other than making money on Fiverr, how you can use the ChatGPT to improve your freelancing profile. So for example, if you are on Upwork or if you are on Fiverr and you like to write the description or the title or details of your gigs or services, what you can do, just go to ChatGPT, ask it to write a description for you, just improve it and post it into your gig or service. So if you work on these tools and try to understand how they actually work and improve your prompts that you are going to ask these tools, I bet you are going to make a lot of money, and this is really going to help you in achieving your financial freedom. So if you guys have any questions, just comment down below and let me know. if there's anything I can help you with, or if you have any questions, and if you like to see the videos on details how you can start work on Fiverr, how you can use ChatGPT, I have uploaded few videos on my channel for you, so you can go check that out. And do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel, because there is a lot of things coming on, and this channel is gonna rock in the future. So trust on it. I always believe that the early believers are gonna get the most of it. So if you believe this channel, if you trust this channel, that this is gonna be the ultimate channel for providing you the information of what's happening, how you can make money, how you can use these tools. So let's subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate that response that I'm getting on my videos, and I'm trying to improve every other video that I'm gonna upload. So thanks again. Bye-bye.